Howdy. We are on the National Data Buoy Center site, and we have still this one buoy which seems to be in motion since what, 3 days already? And it's a little bit confusing. I'm not a I don't know too much about these, but obviously if we watch at the heights, these are meters, 5,100, 5,000. So this is 100 meters almost, or 85 probably. Height difference. No data available. The data are recorded in pounds per square inch absolute PCI, but are displayed in meters of water after applying a constant 670 millimeter of water PSIA conversion factor. So this seems to be the most recent, 5085. And if we go back, how much? For, let's say, 1500. In a half an hour, 1432 and 1459. So it's approximately half an hour. We had some 4 meters. Deepening, I guess. But I'm not sure. That's somehow a little bit confusing, because if you watch this chart, where is it? Just disappeared. If you watch close, you can see 5,100 and 5,000. So it's about 85 meters. Height difference. There's also this kind of peak here. And I don't know how can I zoom in. Doesn't really work. But anyway, something's going on there. And there would be much more to tell about that, but I'm not going to now. Interesting spot nonetheless, probably at the next magnetic North Pole position. But there is more to the story. We have an ongoing buoy wind since many hours, and I haven't heard about any tsunami warning. Neither is there any quake activity. Like, I mean, in this region here. Let's put 7 days. Bitum. What's that? This big one. Ah, 5 days ago. Okay. So it has updated and there is no earthquake. One thing always worth doing is checking out the weather, because it is connected to the things below the surface. And obviously there's something going on in the region. So quite strong storm system seems to be active. Yeah. Do we get any pictures? Yes. Check it out. That's massive, and it stays in place. So I guess we have something really going on there. Because the weather is the electric equivalent in the sky to what is going on beneath the ground, mostly invisible or invisible, until it plunges through the crust into the heavens and therefore establishes the connection to the heavens in a visible way. So we just try to figure out where we are approximately. Krakatau, and then at the tip of northern Australia. Approximately. So now let's have a look again where this buoy is. Yeah, that's really sketchy to use with the phone. Yeah, it's not exactly at the place. The weather system. That's not too far from it either. So, something's going on in a really interesting place. In really interesting times. This is just a part of it. Of the whole picture. Let's just check if there's anything else going on. Anywhere. No buoys up there. And that's a very good map if you want to check out sea floors. It's really hard to find this kind of good seafloor map. For whatever reason, all these bright areas, you can't see anything if you zoom in. Same here. Baltic Sea, North Sea. Nothing to see here. There's just nothing. And if you go over to the Atlantic, yeah, I want to show you. That's funny. Where is it? Somewhere here. In the Atlantic, you will find all kinds of things. Here is it. Unicorn Bank, a Lion Bank, and a Dragon Bank. Some are even marked with depths. And this doesn't have a name. But its elevation is approximately 1,600 meters or something. So it's a mountain underneath the sea. And there are many of those. Coral Patch Bank, Ampere Seamount. Is it related to lightning? I don't know. Might be. Ferradura Abyssal Plain. And as we go to shallower water, someone could expect the shallower the water gets, the better picture quality we get, since there is less water on top of it, making disturbances. But obviously, the opposite is the case. Which is really a pity. I guess there would be many interesting things there to see. And that's actually the region where we have quakes all the time in recent weeks. Alboran Sea, Xawan Bank, Ville de Djibouti, Alboran Ridge, yeah, it's really slow since there are many, many quakes. That's of a week, 2 days ago, 25 minutes ago, so it's still ongoing. And we are Xawan Bank. Is that possible? What? Maybe. But there is something. Where are we? Hoceima. Do we get any names here? No. But I would say it's somewhere here. Here's the bay, and here's this. What is it? Niemi in Finnish. Tofino Bank. Tofinio. Maybe something I got to check out, but I leave it here. There is something going on since a very long time, many weeks. And we also have bad weather locked into place. But anyway, I leave it here. Thanks, bye.